All right, guys, this is big. This is exciting. We're going to talk really fast because...
There's new Cutie. Just go buy it. Just go buy the mystery box. New mystery box. Just go buy it.
This is not a test. This is the true Navy Cutie. He's new. Go buy it. We'll get into everything in the box.
We'll wait here for you. Okay, pause.
We'll wait here.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
We're back.
Right.
Welcome back. Did you purchase that?
Right. So Holly and
Alex
with Melody Lane inspired. So we wanted to get to that really quick because we know this is going to sell out fast. So we're like, let's get through the Cutie, show them that, then you can purchase it. Then we'll get into the rest of the box.
Yes.
So what do we have in our box?
I don't know. This is the first time I've seen it. So.
Me too, because we just opened it.
Yeah, like legit, just opened it.
I actually brought this from Indiana here so we could do it together, which is, he's like Precious Cargo, which, by the way, if you missed it, true Navy little cutie. All right, so first you're going to get everyday iron-on. You're going to get 12 by 24 inches, and this is navy. So it does look dark here, but it is a dark navy color. Let's set that over on your side.
And then I grabbed infusible ink pens. These are neons, and they're 0.4.
Yep.
Infusible ink.
Go ahead and draw on the mugs with those, or all that stuff. All right, we're getting Sports Flex iron-on, and this is in white. So this is a Sports Flex. So this is perfect for putting on the active wear, like rayon, nylon, that kind of stuff. And you're gonna get not 12.24 inches, 11.8 by 24 inches.
I have transfer tape.
Can always use that.
One roll, 12 inches by 48 inches.
So that is to transfer your guys' vinyl onto your projects. All right, we're going to get everyday iron-on in gold, and this is 12 by 24 inches also of the gold iron-on. Oh, you know what we didn't say? We didn't say what the name of this box was.
What is the name of the box?
Sailor's Delight.
Sailor's Delight!
That sounded very delightful, Alex.
It's delightful.
He's like a Navy guy, sailor, get it? That's why the navy and the gold, it's sailor colors.
I like it.
I do.
The next up in the box is everyday iron-on mesh. What's that word? Mal?
It's a different language.
Oh. Navy. I was like, it looked like it's part of it. I was like, I don't know what that is. And it's M-A-I-L-L-E is what I was talking about. This is 12 by 24 inches. Yeah, it's mesh.
Yeah.
And it's, again, it's a navy. It looks black.
Yeah, it's a dark navy. Definitely a dark navy. All right, this is pretty. Well, because it's shiny, I like anything sparkly, shiny.
Right.
So this is foil iron-on, guys. You're going to get 12 by 24 inches of the royal blue in that, which is beautiful. I like lots of this foil stuff for, like, holiday projects, too, because it adds a sparkle, a shine to it.
And I have premium vinyl shimmer. And another word. I know, I left that one for you.
Okay, thanks.
This is gold. Premium vinyl shimmer, and another word I can't pronounce because it's another language. It's 12 inches by 48 inches, and it's all shimmery.
Shimmery. Again, that would be perfect for holiday stuff too.
Yes.
There's that one. And then last in the box, we have our glitter iron-on. You're going to get 12 by 19 inches of the glitter iron-on in white, and it's hard to see here.
But it's
sparkly.
Shimmery. Yeah, sparkly. More so sparkles.
And all pretty. Yeah, and 12 by 19 inches of that. So, we have some gold, some navy, some white. But what's the best part?
The cutie!
The cutie, guys! Let's see him.
The green light up at the top of the screen is the camera.
Yeah, I never know where I hold. I can just hold this in my face. It's like, hello! But anyway, the true Navy cutie. So, obviously, quantities are limited, and when we have a new cutie, they go fast.
Super fast, so
Super
go buy
fast.
it right now.
Go buy it. And we do have a new discount code also. We do. So the discount code is no longer Melody Lane. It is now Inspire10. And that's going to give you free shipping and save you 10% off purchases of $50 or more. But it won't work on the mystery boxes or machines. But if you have other stuff you're going to purchase, go ahead and use that Inspire10 also. But go ahead and get you your cutie to add to the collection because nobody wants to miss a cutie.
He's adorable.
He is. And we went ahead and matched him with all of the Cuties
The other blues.
back up here to see if we had anything really close, and we really don't.
Yeah, there's really not.
Yeah, there's more royal blue. There's more that go more towards the purple, but not this true navy.
Yeah. All right.
So we were excited. We've been holding on to this for a while. We've known it's been coming.
Yeah.
You know how hard it is when people are like, "Are there new cuties coming?"
We're like,
They're coming.
yeah.
We can't tell you when, but they're coming, and they're finally here, and there'll be more new ones coming also. So this is access only.
Access only.
Because you gotta be access to get the cuties.
Yep.
But if you're not access, links will be below to go ahead and join access, and obviously the links are below to go ahead and buy this cutie. Which hopefully you already did, because
Mystery
honestly,
box.
true,
Yeah.
mystery box to get the cutie.
Yeah.
And hopefully you did, because it may be over by the time we're done talking. Like, it may be sold out. Like, it could
Yeah.
go that quick that by
Yeah.
the time the video's over, it could be sold out. So go ahead, go.
Just go do that right now. All right.
So, all right, guys, thanks for joining us. Until next time, happy crafting.
Toodles.
Bye.